TK, and today we are back with another story time with TK. And I'm really excited because I get to bring another story to our story series. Exciting, right? Yay! And this story today is O muすびこりん, which actually translates in English as the rolling rice ball. Wow, another Japanese fairy tale. Okay, let's get into the book. Are you ready? Let's go! Once upon a time, there lived an old man and an old woman who were very happy together. The old woman gave the old man rice balls when he left to gather firewood. Eat this when you get hungry. Thank you, it looks delicious. The old man went into the hills in very good spirit. Wow, what he's going to do in the hills, in the mountains? Let's find out. Yay, yay, yay. Heave ho, heave ho. The old man forgot all about time as he collected firewood in the hills. I'm becoming hungry. The old man produced the pack with the rice ball carefully. When he opened his mouth wide to eat the rice ball, slip! The rice ball slipped from his hand to the ground. The rice ball started to roll down the slope of the hill further and further away. Oh no, wait for me! His rice ball is rolling and rolling and rolling. He's so hungry. The old man hurriedly started going after the rice ball. Plop! The rolling rice ball fell into a hole in the ground. Everything was dark in the hole, and the old man could not see anything. What a waste of food. Right? No good. No wasting food. No. Just then, a happy singing voice could be heard from the hole where the rice ball fell. Rice ball, roll along, plop, plop, plop. Roll along, plop, plop, plop. What an interesting song. Rice ball, roll along, pop, pop, plop. Who could be singing this song? Let's find out. I want to continue hearing this wonderful song. The old man threw all his rice balls into the hole. Rice ball, roll along, plop, plop, plop. You got it. Happy, happy, happy are we. Plop, plop, plop. Ah, this is so good. Plop, plop, plop. I want to dance to that song. Who is singing this song? Who? The old man had no more rice balls left, and the song could no longer be heard. What a shame. Sing me some more. Hey, please sing me some more. The old man shouted into the hole, but there was no answer. Slip! He slipped and fell into the hole. Oh no! The old man rolled down the dark hole. Plop! Old man, roll along. Plop, plop, plop. That song could again be heard from somewhere. Old man, roll along. Plop, plop, plop. Where's it coming from, kiddos? Let's see. The bottom of the hole was the land of mice. The mice were happily pounding rice to make rice cakes as they sang. What is this? The mouse came to the old man who stood there surprised. It looks like it is the leader of the mice. Old man, thank you for the rice balls, the old mouse said. We are mice who love to sing. So let us entertain you, shall we? To show our thanks, the old man was directed to a chair that looked like a throne. Wow. Make rice cakes, slap, slap, slap. Eat as much as you can, slap, slap, slap. Oh, this is wonderful. I love this song, by the way. I love this song, by the way. The rice cakes made by the mice were very delicious indeed. The old man sang and danced with the mice, and he truly had a wonderful time. I have taken up too much of your time. I must return now. Well then, please accept a present from us. Wow, a present. This is amazing. So saying, the mice brought 2 wicker baskets, a large wicker basket and a small wicker basket. Which would you like? A present after all this entertainment? Well, thank you. I'll take this small wicker basket, please. The old man accepted the small wicker basket. Then we will show you the way out of the hole. Wow, amazing. Please close your eyes and count to 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. When the old man opened his eyes, he was outside the hole. What a strange experience. Oh, or was I dreaming? But it was not a dream, as the small wicker basket was in the old man's hand. So he didn't dream. This actually really happened. Interesting. Let's see what else happens. It's a very fun story. What an interesting story. The old man returned home and opened the wicker basket together with the old woman. And how surprised they were. The wicker basket was full of gold coins. What a wonderful thing. The old man and the old woman held hands and were overjoyed. Wow. Gold coins for rice balls? That's good to hear. A greedy old man had been peeking on the old man and old woman. He decided to get some coins and took a small rice ball and went to the mice's hole. Good! This must be the mice's hole. The greedy old man threw in the rice ball and a happy song began. Rice ball, roll along, plop, plop, plop. Now's my chance. The greedy old man jumped into the hole. The pounding of rice to make rice cakes still continued in the land of the mice. The greedy old man shouted at the mice, "Hey, you! I threw in a rice ball. You must give me a wicker basket in thanks." Sure thing. Here's a large wicker basket and a small wicker basket. Which do you want? The mice are very kind mice. The greedy old man really wanted both, so he said, "You give me all!" Meow! Eek! The greedy old man made the mice scared by meowing like a cat. How mean, right? Not nice. The mice were in an uproar. Crash there, bang here. The hole was coming apart and all was covered in darkness. I can't see where the wicker baskets are. The greedy old man searched with his hands as he crawled in the darkness. Oh, what an experience! When the greedy old man at last came out of the hole, his hands and face were black and dirty. His clothes were torn. I shouldn't have been so greedy. The greedy old man was sad, and he drooped his shoulders. The old man and old woman shared the coins they got from the mice to the poor villagers. Thank you so much. Please don't thank us. Thank the mice. Mice? The old man and the old woman just looked at each other and smiled. The old man and the old woman and all the villagers went to the mice's hole. When they gave the mice rice balls to thank them for the coins, the mice were very happy. The villagers and the mice became very good friends and lived happily ever after. The end. Rice ball, roll along, plop, plop, plop. Rice ball, roll along, plop, plop, plop. Very good story. Don't be greedy. Yeah. Being greedy definitely is not a good thing in the world, is it? I want this, I want this, I want that, I want this, give me that. If you have this kind of attitude towards life, right, it's not good, right? We saw how the old man was greedy. He tried to copy what the old man did, right? The really mean man. He was mean, but towards the end of the story, I think he became actually kind because he realized what he did was really bad. Being greedy will not get you what you want in life, right? Kiddos, we have to be thankful, always use our manners, right? Be very polite. It's very important. So I'd like to thank this wonderful story, O muすびころりん, the rolling rice ball, for teaching us to not be greedy and always be thankful. Okay, kiddos, thank you so much for joining us on our story time with TK and continuing our reading series. We have a lot of fun Japanese fairy tales that we're reading, but I'm also going to bring in more stories from around the world. So it's not just Japanese fairy tales, it's going to be fairy tales from around the world. Many stories that I will share with you, my kiddos, okay? So please continue to watch the channel, continue to tell people about the channel so we can grow. We're very excited. We've almost reached, wow, we are a little bit over 4,500. 4,500, or in Japanese, 4,500 subscribers. It's a lot, right? And we want to continue to grow and get more and more and more and more and more. So please tell your friends, continue to tell your friends, and everyone you know about Doremi Learning Antics. Little TK back here is telling all his friends too. So we will see you in the next video, and I truly hope that you will read and read some more, okay? Very important, all right? I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye!